This is a quick video to show you how to use CloudExtend to sync emails from your shared inboxes. Working with shared inboxes and CloudExtend is very simple. All you need to do is make sure that you have a license for your individual inbox. And once you have an allocated license to your Outlook email address, you can go into your shared inbox. So in this case, I'm under my sales shared inbox. I'm going to go into the inbox itself, select one of the emails, and then select this icon right here. And I'm going to select CloudExtend Outlook for NetSuite. And once you have selected this, it's going to pop up the application on the right hand side, and then you can choose between one time or autopilot. So in this case, for demo purposes, I'm just going to select the contact record and sync it one time. So once I've selected this, I can go down to associate email, and in just a few seconds, you're going to see that this email has been synced to the contact record for CloudExtend customer success. So if I click on view in NetSuite, and as you can see, it populated the contact record. And if I scroll down and go to communication and messages, you're going to see that the email has been synced over into the NetSuite record. And it's going to be this particular email subject line right here, and it's synced over the email. If I drill down into it, you're going to see the email messages right here. And that concludes our video on how to use CloudExtend with shared inboxes. If you need further support, please visit our support site at support.cloudextend.io.